What's going on, guys? I disappeared again, and you've probably been wondering why. Stick around, and I'll tell you why. And I got some cool, exciting news from Audiopipe, some stuff that's coming, and maybe a demo in there. I don't know. So stick around. Okay, so you've probably been wondering what happened to me again. And as I've said before, life. This is a very, very busy time of the year for me. This is mid-September, and I got a lot of things going on, especially with work and my children. I got two boys that play football, and I coach one of the teams, and two boys on two football teams takes up a lot of time in the evenings. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm not going to get into any more details, but it's a very, very busy time for me. And sometimes it's hard to pump out videos. Sometimes it's hard to even find the time to sit down and edit these videos, because a lot of times I don't think you guys realize what it takes to make a video and edit a video sometimes. But anyways, enough with that. Audiopipe has got some cool stuff coming. If you guys follow me on social media, I announced last week the new line of amps that's coming out. It's going to be a 3K, a 10K, or a 3K, a 6K, and a 10K. Pretty cool. Audiopipe's never made an amplifier bigger than a 6K before, so now we got a 10K coming. The line doesn't have an actual name yet, so to speak, like the APCL line or APNK line or anything like that. But this new line of amps is coming, and I'm really excited about it, because I may jump up to the 6Ks or even the 10Ks. It just depends. But it's really exciting news. There's some other stuff coming that you guys are really going to be interested in. I'm not going to go into details just yet on that. But let's just say the signal's going to get better, and the excursion may be even better. But that's coming. Can't wait for that. Been talking to Audiopipe. We got some cool ideas coming for the Blazer for next year. I'm not doing a total rebuild, but I might be doing a little bit of tweaking, especially if I get new amps, because I don't know, 24K or 40K on subs. I don't know. Just depends. Just depends on my electrical at that point. I'm not quite sure I have the electrical to support 40K unless I can afford lithium. And everybody knows that pain. So if anyone wants to donate me lithium batteries, I greatly appreciate it. Yinlong technology. Anyways. So that's some pretty cool stuff that's coming up. And like I said, been talking with Audiopipe. We're putting some plans in place for the Blazer for next year. Cause let's face it, this year is basically over. There's maybe one or two more shows that I want to try and go to. Nothing big, just some local stuff that's going on. But I still want to hit those, but I've got to replace a sub. I had one come apart at the triple joint at the last big show that I went to. So I'll drop the demo video for that, and when the sub went, here at the end of this video. Just let go. I mean, 1 year of totally abusing those subs. I mean, really getting at it, and stuff's going to start coming apart eventually. So, things happen. I can't complain. 1 year on those 8 subs and only one issue, can't complain at all. So that's the name of the game. That's what we do. That's what we like. You ever notice I say a lot? It's really hard to talk to the camera and not say or get for a loss of words. So I'm sorry. I apologize for that. See, I did it again. But anyways, so we got some cool new products coming out that a lot of you guys are really, really going to be interested in. Trust me, you're really going to be interested. 10Ks are out. I'll try to maybe throw up some pictures in this video. If not, go on Facebook, Instagram. I posted it everywhere. Some pictures of the new amplifier line that's coming out. Now, these are the full bridge technology. That is kind of what's every company's leaning towards now is the full big bridge technology, and it works. I mean, let's just face it, it works. You can create a lot of power, so why not? I mean, that's the name of the game in the car audio industry. Everybody's always switching and changing and doing this and that, so why not? That's the thing to do. But anyways, that's pretty much it for that. We got some cool news coming, some cool stuff coming with the Blazer. And that's pretty much it. I mean, I'm not going to sit here and give you my life story on why I haven't put nothing out a lot lately, other than I'm very, very busy this time of the year. And, YouTube doesn't pay my bills. So work and family is more important. And that's just the way it is. But anyways, so stick around. I'll throw up the demo video. This demo video comes from the Slammin' for Soldiers show. It was actually the only video that I recorded that day. That sub let loose, and I guess it was a good thing because they had to shut the demos down at that show for the rest of the day because of too many complaints. So I'll throw that up. It's the only video I had for the day. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys are sticking with me when I go through these times, because honestly, also, I needed a break from social media, to tell you guys the truth. I wasn't on Facebook a whole lot. I wasn't posting. I just needed a break. I'm very, very busy, and that's just the way it is. So I hope you guys stick around with me. I do have a lot of videos that I have yet to put up, a lot of demo videos, and another project I did on the Blazer before I went to the Slammin' for Soldier show. So I hope you guys stick around with me. If you're new to watching this video, go back and watch some of my other videos. I think I do some decent content. And I've even had some people ask me if I'm going to start doing the baseline series again. So I'm kicking around that idea of maybe starting that series up again. You guys tell me what you think about that. And like I said, thanks for sticking around with me, and I'll start getting some more videos out here because I'm back. Exciting stuff. Can't wait. I wish I could tell you guys now, but I told him I would not say a word other than releasing the new amp. So stick around for this demo video, and stick around for the news of the new upcoming products that's coming out. Like I said, you guys will like it, trust me. And that's pretty much it. So I'll leave you with this demo video, and until next time, guys, bass on.
I need a blush.